So what are we doing? Let's go in through here. Yeah. Let's just start through here. Or we can wait in here and see what happens. What do you want to do? Let's go in through here. Or we can dart across there and get Mark and Ben.
Yes, I think so. Alright guys, check this out. Do a little twist of the game. There are no structures. You cannot go in any structure. Any building you go in, you're out for that game. Like the Taliban, the base, the hotel, pub, new structure, tower, no structure. You cannot go inside of it. Hide behind it or whatnot. You can't go inside of it. Everybody understand?
Huh?
This is perfect, Trevor.
Yeah.
Alright guys, everybody got one line. You guys spawn the bank. Everybody gets your corners. In the match. Game begins. 3, 2, 1. Go.
They get out?
Yeah.
Where are they?
Over there.
Where?
Let's go at them. Let's go at them.
Remember guys, don't go in any structure. You will die if you go into a structure. Once you get in a structure, you are out. There, hits.
Chris, I'm right behind you.
Guys are watching the game already. Remember guys, they don't pop.
Chris, where are they?
What?
Where are they?
That's not the team, man. It's not the team. So 1 on 2, 1 on 2.
Safety kills.
Safety kills. The 2 guys with the pistols win.
I heard you got that on film.
I did all of it.